Map Search is an option to view the address of the record on Bing Maps. This feature is available in all main entity types and can be accessed by the View More menu option. When pressed, it will open a new tab pinpointing the location of the entity on the map. In the instance of a candidate record, it will show the address of the candidate, and if they are placed, the address of their current placement. For a contact, it will include the company and personal address. For a company, it will include up to 10 addresses held against the company record. And for a placement, it will display the address for the contact, the location of the placement, and the candidate.